For this week's activity, we are making pom-pom or ping-pong ball launchers. The materials you will need are a toilet paper roll, balloons, a few rolls of tape, and a pom-pom or a ping-pong ball. Now that we have all of our materials, we're going to get started. So we're going to start by putting aside our balloons and our ping pong ball. So all we need right now for step one is our toilet paper roll and our tape. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of tape and wrap it around the toilet paper roll. So I'm going to take a few pieces, wrap them around in a pattern, and once it's all done, we're ready for our next step. Now that our toilet paper roll is completely covered, except for this little spot, we are going to move on to the next step. So for the next step, we need a balloon. And all we're going to do is open up our balloon and put it on that end. Just opening it up with my fingers, and then I'm just going to stick it on the bottom. This can be a little tricky. Alright, so it is on. It should look something like this. So, to secure the bottom and make sure that the balloon stays on, I like to use a piece of tape and just tape it around the balloon. And there you have it. Now we're ready to use our launcher. What we're going to do is place the ball inside the tube, pull back the balloon, and pop!